Oh. Oh. Hey, this is me from the future. I'm realizing I think I accidentally deleted my beginning explanation video, but basically just today I primered a bunch of stuff. I had to sand a little bit, and so things are starting to look up, so I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
All right, so that is just about all I needed to do. We decided just to get the rough stuff off instead of getting down completely to bare metal because it was just going to take way too long. I mean, that right there took me like an hour, I swear. So we decided getting it all shiny was enough. So now I am just going to do a little bit more sanding. Then we're going to have dinner. And then my dad is going to come out and help me because I've got no experience painting or anything. I might have done a little bit, but when we did the engine block. But yeah, maybe he'll let me do it. I mean, primer's the part that you can kind of redo. This is epoxy primer though, so we'll see. I'm learning bit by bit though. It's kind of weird that was our backyard. Well, I wish all of it was, but it's really weird because all of that was just open. We've lived here for over 12 years. Well, I don't live here anymore, of course, but they've started recently developing on it, and it's so weird to see that because I used to do so much dirt bike, airsoft wars, so much. So it's really weird to see them change so much. It's going to get even worse, but so that's one of the last views we can get of that before they start doing a lot. You can see that they're putting road in there. Anyway, we are going to primer tonight, so we just have some prep work before you guys see anything, and so it's going to be a minute. But the end of this week, I am hoping to get this all welded in, so it's going to be awesome to see stuff being built up because it feels like for the past 5 years, all I've done is tear down and do a lot of prep work, and so it's really exciting to see it all start coming together. I was a little nervous we weren't going to be able to get it done tonight. I was afraid we weren't going to get the underside done, but luckily my wife let me stay out late. So shout out to my awesome hot wife for letting me do that. And then also shout out to my dad helping me do this and also teaching me a little bit. So obviously I'm an amateur at painting, but he's actually gotten a lot of compliments on past projects. Shout out to my mom for letting me keep my love in this garage for like, well, we're coming up on 6 years, I think, and so I think this summer it's 6 years, and so yeah, you guys are awesome, so thank you. But I thought I'd show you guys what we did, and so you might not be able to tell, this is kind of the same color, but we did that side, and then these ones you'll definitely be able to tell. So I'm really excited, it's starting to come along. I'm starting to get a little nervous that we won't be able to weld this week because I'm realizing there's still a lot of prep we have to do on these. Like we're gonna seam seal inside a couple of cracks, and then I think just other odds and ends. So it kind of just depends on how much I want to work on it or can work on it this weekend. So I guess that's only in 2 days, so we'll kind of see what happens. But thanks for watching, guys.